Hola.
Hola.
Hola, ¿estamos listos para los suecos?
Sí.
Bueno. Okay, first of all, good morning. Welcome at the Wooden Shoe Factory. My name is Joel. That's like me, Joel, you know. Man, I'm not gonna sing you a song. I'm gonna explain about the wooden shoes here in Holland. Buenas tardes, bienvenidos a la fábrica de suecos. Me llamo Joel, como Billy Joel, el pianoman, y yo voy a explicar cómo hacemos suecos aquí en Holanda. And to start with, and I think this is important. The wood we use is poplar. La madera es álamo, le bois est peuplier, el leño es piapo, das Holz ist papel, papel, topol, topolo, macala, kabak, meshur, chasiam, safsafa, payangshu, payangmo, popoda, popula, populus, flop, bliss, populier. Huh? Got it? Okay. We use it fresh, fresca, then it's soft and easy to cut. Blando y fácil para cortar. When this wood is dry, it is very light and it's water resistant. Cuando la madera es secado, está muy ligero y resistente al agua. And that's the main reason why the people in Holland still wear the wooden shoes until this day. Esta es la razón principal por el que seguimos usando los suecos aquí en Holanda, because it rains a lot here, got the morning dew, so the grass is wet and farmers, they need to walk on the land without getting their feet all wet, and the wooden shoes still keep the feet warm and dry. Lleva mucho aquí, el pasto está húmeda, y los agricultores tienen que caminar por la tierra tener sin los pies mojados, y los suecos mantienen los pies calientes y secos. Another thing, if you live on the farm, you might have animals, cows, horses. For example, you walk on your farm, caminando en el campo, la 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 la. Then a cow comes by, una vaca, stands on your feet. No problem, because it's a really good safety shoe. Es un buen zapato de seguridad. Okay. I used to make them all by hand. A mano. With knives like this for the outside of the shoe, para el exterior del sueco. It takes a lot of time. By hand it takes me 3 hours. Hermano, me llevará 3 horas. So get yourself comfortable. Don't worry. With the machine it's only 5 minutes. 5 minutos con máquina. These 2 routines are for the outside of the shoe, para el exterior del sueco. These 3 are for the inside, el interior. And the machine works like copying a key. La máquina funciona como copiar una llave. We got the mold, and the guide, el guía. It feels where the mold is, and it's in connection with the knife, el cuchillo. Simple. The knife cuts away what the guide feels. El cuchillo corta lo caliente del guía. The block of wood and the mold. La madera y la molde, they will rotate, giran. If they go in the same direction, in el mismo dirección, we get an exact copy of the mold, a right shoe, obtener una copia exacta del molde, una zapato de regia. You can also make the spin opposite, then it's like a mirror, como uno espejo, so then we get a left shoe. I think enough talking. Would you like to see some Yes. Let's do it. That was the machine.